Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Spectrum cable box to a Roku TV in 2026. Now, if your TV says no signal or you are setting it up for the very first time, this guide will walk you through it the easy way. So first of all, you need to grab an HDMI cable. This is what going to send both the picture and the sound from the Spectrum cable box to your Roku TV. Now you need to look at the back of your Spectrum cable box. Over here, you just have to plug one end of the HDMI cable into the port which is labeled as HDMI out. Now you need to plug the other end of the HDMI cable into any of the HDMI port on your Roku TV. So here it can be HDMI 1, 2 or 3. Any of these are going to work. Now you need to power on both the cable box and your TV. On your Roku remote, you just have to simply press the home button. After that, you need to go to the settings of your Roku TV. In the settings, you just have to look for the option of TV inputs and then you need to go to the option of HDMI. So here select the HDMI port you just plugged the cable into, then simply choose the option of setup input and simply switch to that HDMI source. Now your Spectrum cable screen should appear on your TV. If it doesn't show up, just make sure that the HDMI cable is firmly plugged in. You can also try another HDMI port on the TV and you can also try restarting the cable box once. So most of the signal issues fix with a quick restart. So once the picture appear, you will fully connected and ready to watch live TV. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.